Hey there and welcome back to the channel. So today what we're doing, after we obviously finish our coffee, we're going to be filling in this void up here. So I aim to make another small little cabinet, not as deep as this, because this channel, the C channel for the shed itself is going to be in a way. It's about 135 millimeters, so it's going to be not as deep, but I still need to fill it in. And it's nice and easy for this ductwork to kind of sit behind it, and it'll hide that ductwork as well. So it's a little bit unsightly. And the best part is I have a pre-painted MDF door all ready to go because I had to widen one of the doors for the dust collector cabinet. So I have that left over, so no painting. So yes, I don't have to watch paint dry again and again. So this one's hopefully going to be a pretty quick job because all I need to do is just fill that. I have all the melamine, I think. So no trips to Bunnings. That's good, but kind of sad at the same time, so I actually quite enjoy going. Anyway, let's get on with it. And I'm also quite excited because what I get to do is use my dust collection really for the first time. Ah, great. And there you have it, almost done. All I need to do now is just put some paint on it. I need to put the edge paint on it. I have a ton of that Monument paint left over. And I forgot that I didn't paint this side of it. I quite like the white look. It actually breaks up the upper cabinets themselves. So I'm kind of tempted to just leave it as white. No, I'm not gonna do that. It's just gonna annoy me every single time I walk inside the shed. Anyway, what I'm going to probably also do is transfer the contents of this one into here, because these little plastic tubs that I have, and you've seen me using them on some of the videos, they don't really fit inside there, which is fine, but they do fit in those other cabinets, which was specifically made for these plastic tubs. And also didn't realize I put a soft close hinge on it. So nice little touch, I think. Yeah, very, very nice. Kind of thinking I should have done soft close hinges for all the other cabinets as well, just because I just love soft close. Anywho, enough procrastination. Let's get out the paint, do a couple of coats, and then we'll call this one done. And just like that, we are done and dusted. So pretty happy. I've swapped everything over from the other cupboard. I have 2 plastic empty tubs there, which I'm going to fill, no doubt, with stuff I probably don't need anymore. But I'm pretty happy overall to fill that gap. And I'm thinking on the other side there as well, I might actually take those mini upper cabinets, shift them over, and do something very similar to what I've done here. And it kind of makes me think maybe I should have done the ducting work a little bit differently to how you see it, but I don't know, is what it is, I suppose. So paint's still drying a little bit just on the edges there. I don't know if you can see that on the camera or not, but if you do like this content, please consider subscribing, and please leave a comment just below, because I do genuinely enjoy responding to each and every single one of you. So with that, we're going to call it done, and let's get on to the next project. So I hope you have a lovely weekend in your workshop, and take care of yourselves, everyone, and I'll see you all next time. Bye. Not bad.